The secret in having a good look, whether you're doing YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, is to have a good amount of light. Cover those imperfections and boost confidence. It doesn't have to be expensive. Now, let us unbox a LED ring light. You can buy in any online shops like Lazada, Shopee, and more. Finally, step 7. Turn on the LED ring light. Use the controller. You will have 3 light modes: cool light, warm light, and natural light, with 9 levels of brightness. Depends on what video you're working on. Adjust the light as you desire. You have here the power button to turn on and off. Negative sign or minus is to decrease the brightness. Switch mode button to change light. And the positive or plus sign is to increase the brightness. Easy! Thanks for watching. See you next time.